Dear friends, today also we brought you some important information, announcements and updates from Indian stock market. Here are 30 stocks including LIC Housing Finance, Mahanagar Gas, Bennari Amman Sugar, Astral, etc. Those have announced split dividend or bonus. Welcome to Stock Info Media. I am Nambudiri. Please like, share and subscribe. Hitachi Energy India Limited, Power India, share is trading around rupees 20,710. Hitachi Energy announced a dividend of rupees 6 per share. 13th August is fixed as the ex-date and record date. MPS Limited, current market price rupees 2,303. MPS announced a dividend of rupees 50 per share. 13th August is fixed as the ex-date and record date. Daiichi Karkaria Limited, current market price rupees 332. Daiichi Karkaria announced a dividend of rupees 3.5 per share. 13th August is fixed as the ex-date and record date. Nath Biogenes India Limited, Nath Biogene, current market price rupees 173. Nath Biogene announced a dividend of rupees 2 per share. 14th August is fixed as the ex-date and record date. Action Construction Equipment Limited, ACE, current market price rupees 1,105. Action Construction announced dividend of rupees 2 per share. Ex-date and record date is fixed as 14th August 2025. Astral Limited, Astral, current market price rupees 1,416. Astral announced a dividend of rupees 2.25 per share. 14th August is fixed as the ex-date and record date. Mahanagar Gas Limited, MGL, current market price rupees 1,291. MGL also announced a dividend of rupees 18 per share. 14th August is fixed as the ex-date and record date. Bikaji Foods International Limited, Bikaji, current market price rupees 730. Bikaji Foods announced a dividend of rupees 1 per share. 29th August is fixed as the ex-date and record date. Specialty Restaurants Limited, Specialty, current market price rupees 126. Specialty Restaurants announced a dividend of rupees 1 per share. 28th August is fixed as the ex-date and record date. Premco Global Limited, current market price rupees 468. Premco Global announced a dividend of rupees 2 per share. Ex-date is fixed as 26th August and record date is fixed as 27th August 2024. Jai Bharat Maruti Limited, current market price rupees 87. Jai Bharat Maruti announced a dividend of 70 paise per share. Ex-date is fixed as 26th August and record date is fixed as 27th August 2025. Diamines and Chemicals Limited, Diamines Q, current market price rupees 402. Diamines and Chemicals announced a dividend of rupees 1 per share. Ex-date and record date is fixed as 25th August 2025. Web Solutions Limited, share is trading around rupees 27. Web Solutions announced a dividend of 50 paise per share. Ex-date is fixed as 22nd August and record date is fixed as 23rd August 2025. Bennari Amman Sugars Limited, Bennari Sug, current market price rupees 3,753. Bennari Amman Sugars announced a dividend of rupees 12.5 per share. 22nd August is fixed as the ex-date and record date. LIC Housing Finance Limited, current market price rupees 578. LIC Housing Finance announced a dividend of rupees 10 per share. 22nd August is fixed as the ex-date and record date. Kakatia Cement Sugar and Industries Limited, Kakatsem, current market price rupees 152. Kakatia Sugar announced a dividend of rupees 3 per share. 21st August is fixed as the ex-date and record date. Rail Vikas Nigam Limited, RVNL, current market price rupees 346. RVNL announced a dividend of rupees 1.72 per share. 21st August is fixed as the ex-date and record date. Power Grid Corporation of India Limited, Power Grid, current market price rupees 286. Power Grid announced a dividend of rupees 1.25 per share. 19th August is fixed as the ex-date and record date. Ramratna Wires Limited, Ramrath, current market price rupees 678. Ramratna Wires announced a dividend of rupees 2.5 per share. Ex-date and record date is fixed as 18th August 2025. Castrol India Limited, Castrol Int, current market price rupees 215. Castrol India announced a dividend of rupees 3.5 per share. Ex-date and record date is fixed as 11th August 2025. Geo Financial Services Limited, Geofin, current market price rupees 327. Geo Financial Services announced a dividend of 50 paise per share. 11th August is fixed as the ex-date and record date. Grasim Industries Limited, Grasim, current market price rupees 2,744. Grasim Industries announced a dividend of rupees 10 per share. 12th August is fixed as the ex-date and record date. HEG Limited, HEG, current market price rupees 520. HEG announced a dividend of rupees 1.8 per share. 13th August is fixed as the ex-date and record date. Senco Gold Limited, Senco, current market price rupees 341. Senco Gold announced a dividend of rupees 1 per share. 20th August is fixed as the ex-date and record date. Upcoming IPOs. All Time Plastics Limited, face value rupees 2 per share, price band rupees 260 to 275, lot size 54 shares. IPO opens on 7th August and closes on 11th August 2025. Tentative allotment 12th August, initiation of funds 13th August, credit of shares to demat account 13th August. Listing date is fixed as 14th August 2025. Established in 1971, All Time Plastics Limited ATPL is an Indian company specializing in the manufacturing of plastic houseware products. The company mainly manufactures consumer wear for B2B white label clients while also offering products under their proprietary brand All Time branded products for B2C customers. As at March 31, 2025, the company had 1,848 stock keeping units across 8 categories: prep time, containers, organization, hangers, meal time, cleaning time, bath time, and junior friendly tableware, cutlery, and other items. This is the balance sheet of All Time Plastics for the last 3 years. All the figures are in crores. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe.